Hey guys, I'm Subi and welcome back to my channel Food in My Aura. Today I have come up with my recipe to bake the tastiest eggless cake you could ever have. To make a perfect eggless vanilla cake, we'll need 1 cup of plain flour or maida, half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of milk cream or malai, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of fresh milk. To begin, we'll take a bowl and put a sieve over it. We'll sift all our dry ingredients, that is flour, sugar, milk powder and baking powder, through it. Then we'll take another bowl and add wet ingredients, that is milk, cream or malai and vanilla essence to it. Whisk everything well so that it becomes a smooth mixture. Add dry ingredients mix into wet ingredients mix. We will not add all in one go. Instead, we'll roughly divide our dry mixture in 3 parts. Firstly, add 1/3 of dry mix and whisk it. Then again add another 1/3 of dry mix and whisk it. And then again add remaining mix, whisk it well into a lump-free batter. And our smooth cake batter is ready. Then we'll put our preheat mode at 180 degrees Celsius. If you are using microwave, then use the convection mode and put it on preheat mode at 180 degrees Celsius. If you don't have an oven, you can bake by using a big pan or kadhai like this. Then put some salt in it. The salt helps in regulating the temperature inside the pan. Then put any perforated plate or a plain plate like this over which we can keep our cake tin. Put a big plate or a lid over this so that it covers the entire pan, and then put it on high flame for around 10 minutes so that it comes on a preheated mode. When it's preheated, remove the lid, put the cake tin inside and then cover it back and put it on slow to medium flame for 35 to 40 minutes. By the time our oven is getting preheated, we'll grease a baking tin with whatever we wish to, be it oil, butter or ghee. Then we'll pour the cake batter into the greased tin. After pouring the batter, tap it on countertop like this for 10 to 15 times to level it up. Please don't use any spoon to level it, and then place it in the preheated oven for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, check it by piercing a toothpick in it. If it comes out clean, it's done. If it doesn't, bake your cake for 5 more minutes. When the cake is completely baked, take it out from the oven and let it cool for a while. Then scrape the edges using a sharp knife so that the cake gets released from the tin easily. Then put a plate over the tin, hold tin and plate together and invert it. And then tap on the tin for a while so that the cake gets released from the bottom as well. And then put off the tin and your cake is ready. If you want to devour the hot cake, it's ready. If you don't, if you want to save it for later, keep it on a wire rack so that it cools down easily. See how easy it is to make a perfect and super tasty eggless vanilla cake. Try this recipe and share your experiences with me. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. Bye bye.